During this video, Sagan made some great points, but I think the main point Sagan was trying to make in this video was that there was nowhere else for humanity to go and be able to make a life there. In order for us to thrive on our planet, we need to treat each other with kindness. And we also need to preserve and cherish our planet so that it will be available for future generations to come. I think that a video like this should always be shared in a classroom because it sends a message to the younger generation. That message being that they need to realize that no one is privileged and they shouldn't put themselves above anyone else. I think Sagan said it best, that people have imagined self-importance when in reality they are a fraction of a large, great universe. I honestly don't think that the world or the US are following Sagan's advice, because one of the points of the advice was to preserve and cherish our planet. Unfortunately, we are causing more pollution than keeping our home safe. All of the pollution that we are creating is going to end up killing our world. And like Sagan said, there is nowhere else for us to go. Another one that I don't think we are following is to treat each other with kindness. The latest events that have occurred, it has shown us what happens if we don't treat each other nicely. Society breaks down into chaos. Overall, I think this video was great to watch. It allows you to think about the things in the world that could possibly be changed, and it also makes you think about things that you need to change about yourself.